Dry heat. When using the dry heat function, cooking with hot air, no external moisture is injected into the cooking cabinet. The steam generator is not in operation. Therefore, intelligent utilization of the product's own juices is extremely important for the quality of the food. Products which would otherwise be grilled, fried, gratinated, roasted, glazed or baked in conventional containers can now be prepared in your ClimaPlus Combi. The dry heat is activated by pushing the red key. The setting is now displayed. 160 degrees for the cooking cabinet. This can be altered between 30 and 300 degrees. The measurement and control center shows 100% inherent moisture on the Klima window. By pressing the magic eye, inherent moisture of 0 to 100% can be selected freely. The letters H for hours and M for minutes will be flashing on the display. The ClimaPlus Combi must also be preheated when using this cooking medium. Set the cooking time to continuous running. To see the current cooking cabinet temperature, simply press the temperature key. Each product has its own inherent moisture. So, to achieve the best cooking results, the product-specific cooking cabinet climate has to be set. With ClimaPlus Control, this can be set exactly at anything from 0 to 100%. First, you press the magic eye. Then set the exact percentage of humidity you require on the central dial. When preparing vegetables, fish, Wiener or turkey schnitzel in breadcrumbs, use granite enameled trays. These trays conduct heat quickly and evenly to give your foods the perfect golden brown color. Grease the inside of the granite enameled tray with fat. Place the coated product on the tray and paste the top side with fat as well. With this method, the fat required compared to traditional methods is reduced by 95%. If you are cooking large amounts, use an electric sprayer to distribute the fat. Load the cooking cabinet quickly. Select dry heat once more and enter the required settings. After 7 minutes at 235 degrees and 10% inherent humidity, you will have products in crisp golden brown breadcrumbs, perfectly cooked and visually extremely tempting. Your ClimaPlus Combi is also a very reliable partner when it comes to baking. You want to bake fresh products? For this, you must preheat to the required baking temperature. Or are you baking deep frozen pastries, such as puff pastry or bread rolls? In that case, preheat to 300 degrees. Or perhaps you are working with traditional baking recipes. If so, we recommend you remain 10 to 15% below the baking times and temperatures indicated due to the heating efficiency of your ClimaPlus Combi. For optimum results when baking, we recommend using the Teflon-coated perforated aluminium trays from Rational. They are the best heat conductors, a feature which makes them perfect for baking. These accessories also guarantee that results on the underside of your products are also perfect. Products can be individually brushed to give them an appealing shine, and whatever you bake, it always rises especially well. For baking sponge cake, you need a particularly calm cooking cabinet climate. Therefore, you should select the additional function half fan speed. This will give you a particularly smooth surface. The next thing we would like to demonstrate is how to use your ClimaPlus Combi for grilling. This is mainly used for rare steaks, tornadoes, mignons and medallions. This variety of applications can be applied to your a la carte range or for banquets for between 10 and 400 items. Klima grilling requires the cooking cabinet to be preheated to 300 degrees. Preheating with the grill's inside puts a nice grill pattern onto the products. Rational grills also guarantee the products are browned evenly on the top and bottom, eliminating the need to turn them over. The fat requirement is greatly reduced compared to conventional methods. Pieces of meat of similar size and thickness are laid on a grill. To get them well done, the rule of thumb is to allow 8 to 10 minutes for each centimeter of thickness. For medium, the time allowed is 4 to 5 minutes. The U-shaped rails to prevent the trays tipping over are to guarantee loading can be carried out safely and comfortably. The centrifugal grease trap and the rounded cooking cabinet corners prevent fat or waste from collecting and burning. This enables the typical grilled taste to remain completely unimpaired. And here's a special tip for preparing rump steaks in large volumes. Preheat to 300 degrees and then load your ClimaPlus Combi. Grill the steaks for 3 minutes at 260 degrees and then press the cool down key to reduce the cooking cabinet temperature without having any detrimental effect on the appliance and its material. Then open the door and allow the cooking temperature to fall to 85 degrees. Stick the IQT sensor into one steak and set to a core temperature of 56 degrees. Now select the additional functions half fan speed and phased ventilation. The products can now be left to stand under optimum conditions and your ClimaPlus Combi will do the rest. Once the core temperature has been reached, a buzzer will sound. Now select a cooking cabinet temperature 2 degrees above the selected core temperature and set the cooking time to continuous. This way, you keep your steaks at the same quality for longer periods, allowing yourself much more flexibility in your service. Detailed settings for other specific products can be found in the cooking examples manual provided by Rational. For cooking with dry heat, the same principle applies as for cooking with moist heat. Top-class results can only be achieved with the right accessories.